You get one shot. And that's it. And in the end, you're going into the ground. There's no way you can stop the clock from ticking. The countdown is on, and the days are finite. You only get so many, and then it's over.
Everybody is plagued with the disease of waiting. Waiting to be ready, waiting for the right time, waiting until you feel confident, and that is the death of your dreams. It's the death of everything that you've ever wanted to see come true in your life, ever materializing.
You're waiting so that everything is in you, it's together. You're waiting to have all the money. You're waiting to lose weight. You gotta be willing to do it afraid. I'm afraid I don't quite know if I should move. Move anyway.
Today is the day that you stop waiting.
I'd rather die leaping than on the edge figuring out how to get the courage to leap.
We're not gonna wait, we gonna do work. We gonna put in work. Because every time you put in work, you get the same consequences. You get paid, you get rewarded. Go get it. Don't run from it no more, go get it. You go in there and go get that grade. You go in there and get that information so you can pass that class. You gotta go get it.
Nelson Mandela did it. He just did it not knowing if it were right. Mahatma Gandhi just did it not knowing if it were right. Mother Teresa just did it not looking for affirmation or confirmation. Is this right? Martin Luther King did it not even knowing if it would happen before his life ended.
And what's interesting is when you commit and you have the courage to start doing the work, it may not look perfect, but what's amazing is that you'll figure it out.
Everyone listening to this, get on track. Get on it now. Fight that ticking clock with everything you got. And the earlier you get in the game and get on track, the better life you're gonna have. Healthier, wealthier, stronger, smarter, better.